Okay, folks, it's about 1 o'clock, and out here taking another look. Yeah, so I'm heading to the store. I figure I better get provisions. We got to do something. A storm like this, by land's sakes, get prepared. Well, anyway, Keaton said that he was kind of hungry for this meatloaf I make in a toaster oven. Toaster oven meatloaf, I call it. But after he said that, I thought, you know, it's been a while since I've made that, and that is really good. So I don't have everything I need, so I got to run up to the store and get hamburger and crackers and some ketchup. So, well, I sure hope I can. Oh, I sure hope I can make it down that road. Oh my land sakes alive. Pray for me, folks. I'm heading out. Oh my, down on the bayou. Look at look at this. Oh boy, well, the place is packed. Well, you know, for this little town it is. I'll tell you what. You suppose everybody's hungry for meatloaf, or you figure everybody's running in here for provisions? Like O.G. Gruwell says, he said it was elbow to elbow, and there's hardly anything left. People buying stuff up. And I sure hope there's stuff for me to make some meatloaf. I don't know, people crazy these days. I guess they always been. Hey everybody, so what time is it now, John?
2:44.
2:44, and John's back, of course. Keaton's up and around. We got meatloaf, toaster oven meatloaf in there going. Oh yeah. We got the dishwasher going. You can probably hear it. The dishwasher going. Oh, over here the plants are growing. Plants are growing. Doing good. Doing good. Solar panels are charging the trolling batteries under the sink. John is getting out some kind of a garbage bag. Let's look outside what we got. Well, look at that. We got more grass than we had before, John.
That storm.
Oh my God, that snowstorm. Oh my God, John, you're stuck here. You better call the old lady, tell her you can't make it home.
I can't go anywhere.
Not a storm like this. It's ferocious out there, folks. I'll tell you what, this is the great storm of 2019, no doubt about it. So, yeah, anyways, we're going to keep doing our thing, and we'll update you from time to time if anything changes. If there should be some snow, which it probably will be tonight, later tonight. Maybe in the morning we'll show you.
We'll probably never get to finish this video because the storm will probably kill us.
Yes, it's the apocalypse.
It's a bubble.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's going to survive.
No.
So, yeah. And in the meanwhile, we're going to watch this, what is this you're watching? Bay Area Bugs?
Yeah, Bay Area Bugs.
Oh, Bay Area Bugs. Okay, so, we'll see yous all later.